Well, I have a lot to say. First and foremost, thank you guys so much for 8 years of this whole YouTube journey. I want to go over the highlights of this year, but the back half of this video, I want to talk about a little bit more personal stuff that I haven't really disclosed in this much detail with you guys. A lot of you guys know that this YouTube channel is not my full-time job, but I would say most of you guys don't realize that or don't know that, which is easy to think. You know, most people, you just assume that that's what they do. This channel is not my identity at all. It's simply something I'm passionate about, and when I have time on the weekends or whenever, I'll hop on here and make a video and just share my learning, share my experiences, stuff like that with you guys, with the world, because I do like sharing things. And personally, selfishly, I also like to go back, you know, years and years from now and just watch these videos and watch how far I've come and watch how my life has changed and stuff. Before I go any further, I'm not quitting, so I hope that the title didn't mislead you or anything. First part of this video, I want to talk about the highlights that I've personally had this year. This year's been nuts. And then the back half of this video, I want to get a little bit more personal with y'all and share some more details about what I do every day, some of the other stuff that I've really put my time and energy into to grow, which is my full-time job at Backwoods. I'm gonna get into a lot of cool things that you probably didn't know about me. Obviously my friends and family know this, but I just feel like I owe it to you guys, and I think it's pretty interesting stuff. And when I look back at this year, I mean, I'm literally filming this on the last day of the year. Classic procrastination. Dude, I'm just insanely blessed. Like, I don't know, man, I don't deserve any of this, and the fact that I'm able to have this sweet truck and go on these experiences and have this cool gear and all that, like I don't take that for granted. And you know, if you're a company that's helped me or sponsored me or whatever watching this, I mean, I seriously appreciate it. It's gonna be kind of a raw, weird video. Man, if you're watching this, I seriously appreciate you. So let's get into it. And since I am a professional, I brought notes. So some of the highlights this year, the very beginning of this year, we did an Ozark snow wheeling trip, and that was just so epic for so many reasons. I was able to go out with some of my best friends in the Ozarks in some actual considerable snow, which doesn't really happen where I live in Arkansas. That was super fun. If you haven't seen that video, it's, I think, the first one I did this of 2025. Go watch that. It was super fun. I go to the Ozarks all the time, and that one really stuck out just because it's snow. It's like a whole different world. The other huge thing that happened was the truck got rebuilt, like pretty much completely. If you missed it, I actually had a wreck in the truck, like 2 or 3 houses down in my neighborhood, which is so stupid, but is what it is. Lady didn't see me. She just reversed out into the driveway as I was taking my son to school and myself to work. If you missed it, I actually had a wreck in the truck, like 2 or 3 houses down in my neighborhood, which is so stupid, but is what it is. Lady didn't see me. She just reversed out into the driveway as I was taking my son to school and myself to work. Yeah, she hit me on the side, right where the bumper really wasn't protected, and had to rebuild it. New fender, new bumper, all that stuff. In that process, got into 37-inch tires, new custom wheels, brand new long travel suspension. The truck, I guess, it was kind of cool that it happened in a way, but I was able to really make this truck that much sweeter. That was epic. The truck's been sick. I mean, just pulling it over here, like literally today to film this, I was just like, I can't believe I have this truck. Every day I get into it, every time I park it, I'm just like, I can't believe I have this truck. And okay, by far my favorite part of this year was our company Colorado trip. If you haven't seen this video before, it's not on my channel, it's on the Backwoods Adventure Mods channel. It was it was the coolest thing I've been a part of in this community, in the overland space or whatever. The fact that I didn't film a lot of this, I was kind of able to just sit and enjoy in the moment. We hired my good buddy Caleb Baker Overland, to film, to edit, and do this entire video for the Backwoods YouTube channel, which gave me the opportunity to kind of be in front of the camera and show my truck and like let me live in the moment. And that's something that you guys probably don't realize. You know, when I'm filming these videos, it's a crap ton of work, man. Like, I'm having to tell people, you know, back up, do that again, let me get in front of you for this shot, all that stuff. And personally, that really wears on me, and it's kind of a Debbie Downer on the trip. And the fact that Caleb was able to do all that for us and I was able to live in the moment again was just So fun for me personally. The way that video came together, man. I mean, my wife was there. My best friends were there. Their wives were there. The owner of the company was there. It was so fun. So that was 2 solid weeks. Most of us, I would venture to say, kind of go out on a weekend or whatever. But at 2 weeks, man, you eventually fall in this rhythm where you're just fully remote. You know, you're living out of your truck. Camping 2 weeks straight was awesome. You know, going to, you know, places to shower and packing that much clothes. Holy cow, dude, I realized I need more clothes. That was just a memory I'm never gonna forget because of Caleb and that video that we produced. So huge shout out to Caleb. Thank you so much for that, man. Again, if you guys haven't seen that video, please watch it. In a second, I'm gonna put a teaser video of that video. So those of you who haven't seen it can get excited and watch it. I mean, I did help Caleb with some ideas as far as like the editing process and like how to kind of shape the story. But dude, Caleb is such a professional and he just crushed every aspect of it. By far, best highlight of 2025 for sure. Right now, let's go ahead and play that teaser.
Hey, yeah. Put your trust in me. Coast to coast from JFK to Tuscany. Doing AMAs where all y'all see what's up with me. Baby, fuck with me. On my dolo on the daily, but tonight I need some company. Come and link me. I don't care what I might open on your link tree. Clearing out your history. Ain't got no label now officially. In more ways than one, I'm independent, limousine riding, jet flying. That's what I made these figures for. I'm styling and profiling. Booked a suite, we on an island with it. She like the patches on my Yankee fitted. I take it off, she get undressed, I go to work, and then it's back to business.
Yeah, super sick video. I know, you can't believe it either. If you guys have already seen it, just throw it on the TV and watch it again. It's that good, okay? I'm that proud of it. All right, real quick, pause, pump the brakes. You guys know I couldn't finish the video without talking about Onyx. Thank you guys again for another year of partnership. I look forward to doing it again in 2026. If you guys are new to overlanding, to exploring the outdoors in general, honestly, if you run side-by-sides, if you run trails in your truck or whatever, Onyx Offroad is super helpful. It's all-in-one GPS app for trails, navigation, weather, topography. There's photos, there's trail difficulty. You can send and make your own routes. You can follow existing routes. What's really cool I did this year is I put a new head unit in my truck, which allowed me to use Apple CarPlay. What's cool with Onyx is it works directly with Apple CarPlay. Now, instead of having a dedicated iPad on my dash, being ridiculous, taking up all the space, I can run Onyx on my actual head unit. It's super clean, OEM looking, and I love that. That's one of my favorite features actually using the app is just the integration part. So I do have a discount code, 20% off. It'll be here. I can never really position this just right all the time, but hopefully that looks absolutely perfect. Right there. Gonna save you some money. Obviously works on iPads, phones, whatever you want. Give it a try. It's gonna help you out a ton. Thank you guys so much, and we'll get back to it. Okay, now I want to get a little bit more personal with y'all and explain what I do day to day, kind of how I got here. This YouTube channel actually got me the job that I have now, which is crazy. The stars aligned, and I'm doing what I love as a full-time job while still having YouTube as a side thing. So for the last 5 years, I've been working full-time for a company called Chandler Equipment, actually now called Chandler Capital Group. But they are local to Springdale, Arkansas, which is pretty close to where I live. The vice president saw my YouTube channel and decided that I would be a great fit for marketing for their team. I declined their 3 offers just because I was happy at my design job that I was at, and that's kind of where I thought I was going to go. I also had no experience in marketing at all. I was more of a graphic guy. I went to school for graphics and branding. And, you know, at the time I knew that way better, so I was just going to stick with it. But I was presented with a pretty cool opportunity because Chandler Capital Group at the time had 3 or 4 companies, like sister companies, and they needed a marketing guy that would basically do marketing for all the companies. An absolute ton of work. I was up for the challenge. They twisted my arm enough, and I joined the team, and ever since it's been incredibly sweet. For the first 3 to 4 years working for them, I did website, photography, videos, online, everything, like e-commerce stores. I built all those things for those companies and managed them all. Now, over the last year or two, those companies have grown big enough legs to where they can operate on their own. Chandler Capital Group as a company has divided themselves, like fully split out, I guess, into complete separate companies. So this afforded me the opportunity to actually do what I really love and I'm really passionate about, is to do marketing full-time only for Backwoods Adventure Mods. Hopefully by now you guys know what Backwoods Adventure Mods is. It's all over my truck. I was actually initially brought on to the company because Backwoods wanted to get out of the Sprinter van space that they were in and get more into Toyotas. And I got a Toyota, this Tacoma right here, and we used it for developing, for marketing, a bunch of stuff. Came out with our full line of bumpers, and I was able to like leverage my YouTube channel and market it that way. And it was just really cool, unique, organic approach that I've never seen before. So that got me really excited, and it fueled the YouTube channel as well. Like it made me want to share what I was doing kind of more as a big picture thing. That grew, Toyota started taking off, it was epic. And like I said, Backwoods became big enough to where it needed to, or it was able to operate on its own. So now what I'm doing is full-time marketing. I'm the marketing director for Backwoods, and I don't do anything else with the other companies, really. Mainly it's Backwoods. I run the website, I build the website, I do all the social media, I do all the photography, I do all the video editing, and it's been wild. I've adopted so many new skills and been presented so many opportunities. And it's just crazy because it's only because I started a YouTube channel on accident. I didn't have goals to like make this thing and it grow. It just happened, man. And in just a second, I'm gonna roll a 4-minute video that I made for the company, for Chandler. It's kind of a recap of this year. So what you guys obviously don't see is that kind of day-to-day personal stuff, the stuff that I've invested my time and energy in besides the channel. So I just want to share that with you guys and show you how much we've done in a year. And also I think this video is going to be helpful to clear up all the different companies and things like that. I know it's actually helped my family. I've showed it to them and they kind of get a better understanding of what I do at work.
This company has just finished its 47th year. Everything that we've done for 47 years has just built the foundation for what we're getting ready to start working on. Last year we had 90 people. Now we're to 120. We're the anti-corporate company. We're at the point now where you get over 100 people, you're a corporation, theoretically. I'm anti-corporate. I don't want to be that. Everybody here matters. It takes all of your input. It thrills me to be able to support this many people. When you join this company, you're joining our family. And that's how we want you to feel. So every decision we make, everything that we try to do together, it's always as a team. We're trying to help lay out the groundwork and let you guys run. We need you. You're the experts. So if we're not smiling and having fun every day, there's something wrong. It should be challenging because great things are not easy. Our goal is to not make money. Our goal is to do it the right way. So think about that for a minute. So we're not here just to make $1. We're here to move mountains. If we stay doing what we're doing now, we're only as good as we are today. And we have the potential to be something amazing that's never been seen before. That's what gets me excited all the time. We've been called Chandler Equipment. We've been called Backwoods Adventure Mods. We've been called Chandler Truck Accessories. We've been called Chandler Vac. We've been called Starwood Customs now. All that together, we're no longer gonna be called Chandler Equipment anymore. We're gonna be called Chandler Capital Group. So the goal is to build companies that flourish and have personal experiences, big and small. You're all working for one big group, and today you may work for Chandler Vac, and tomorrow you may have an opportunity to go to Starwood, or you could go to Backwoods, or you could go to CTA, or you could go to the dozen other companies we may have. So when people walk in the door, they're like, wow, this is amazing. And this is in Springdale, Arkansas. We got Tyson Foods, we got Walmart, we got, show me a private company that can do that. That's what I want it to be about. And we're all proud about it. Happened this year, so we're changing our name. We have purchased Starwood Customs. Another thing that happened that you don't know about is that we sold Rome Built. Ty Pierce was here for almost 15 years. He helped build this company. He's got his chance now to run his own business. Backwoods team, you guys got a new building. 20,000 square feet. That's what we're getting to as we're moving forward, is these brands and these businesses are self-sufficient. They have their own teams and they take care of themselves. The warehouse, if you haven't heard this, you're getting a 30,000 square foot warehouse that's 32 foot tall. We're gonna have two 10K lasers. One's fully automated, runs 24/7 by itself. The other one is our old 10K, and we're gonna move it over there and put an auto load unload system on it so it can run for 6 hours or so, unattended. New robotic brake press. Load parts, walk away, bends it on its own, stacks them on a pallet. When it's done, you come pick them up, take them to the next station. Then, new powder coating machine. We're gonna powder coat ourselves, guys. Automated powder coating machine. The space you're in right now, this entire building, will be Starwood Custom. They're moving here. So we're gonna make this the state-of-the-art place to be for vehicle install. We make the stuff, we warehouse the stuff, we talk to the customer, we install it. All on us. It's not just what we say the brand is, it's what we live the brand as. My focus is for all of you to move up into different roles, to learn more. I started sweeping the floor in this company. I've worked in the warehouse, I ran machinery my entire childhood, made parts. I used to go to college, drive straight here, ship every order, and assemble all the stuff every day. Then I got into purchasing, into sales, etc., etc. Taught myself accounting. If I can do that, so can you. I would love for you guys to be right here where I'm at. Morgan and I, we're here to root you on every day. Our executive team, we're here to make it happen for you. And I'm ready to do awesome stuff. And I just want you guys to do it with us. We're just getting started. Let's all do it together. Okay? Thank you.
This past September was my 5th year, so 5 years at the company. Epic. Also, with that being said, I've had people, I've seen some comments on my channel that's like, bring back the trip videos and bring back this and why don't you do more videos? And dude, it's just season of life. Priorities have changed. I've dumped a lot more time and energy into the company, into my work, and I don't have a lot left. And what I do have left, I want to give to my family and my son and my wife. The YouTube is just kind of what's left over. Still passionate about it. I still love it, but that's just kind of where my heart lies. And I just want to be super honest and transparent with y'all, as I always have, and tell you that. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be it. I just want to thank you again for everything. Thank you guys for this. Look at this. The coolest thing ever. I think I got this a couple years ago maybe, but what an accomplishment. I never thought I'd ever get anywhere close to this. Thank you guys again so much for everything. Seriously, truly appreciate it. And yeah, that's all I got.